Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's March 27th. Still spring. Frozen out, about 30 degrees this morning. It's kind of slowing the grass down, but I expect today to be a beautiful day. And there's still snow up on the mountains. Looks very beautiful out. Now, we don't really have enough grass because the weather hasn't been good to let them out every day, all day. And it's still really wet out. But if we don't start letting them out now, we're gonna go broke on feed. So we're gonna try to let them out for a few hours a day and stay disciplined on it. And if we graze about half a field a day, times that by 27 fields, it's around 54 days we should add on to the rotation. By then we should have plenty of grass. Obviously if we get a really nice day or the grass starts jumping, we're gonna let them out earlier, but for now, this is the plan and we're gonna stick to that plan.
Well, we're finally letting the cows out. It's not the day we thought we were going to. We thought we were gonna do it yesterday, but it snowed, and it's still cold and wet, but it's time and we have to get the girls out. So it might make a bit of a muddy mess, but this spring, of course, like last spring, is just really cold and really wet and we don't really have a choice. So I'm sure the girls will just be excited to get out. Blake is leading him down. He's in front of them trying to make sure they don't barrel through him and just run into the wrong field because they are pretty excited to be out for the first time. So they're coming down the lane. Just Willie Brown, I get out of there. Hi girls, are you excited? Are you ready to go outside? Here they come. Hi sweeties. Oh, good girl, you made it. Okay, girls, be careful. Okay, cookies, cookie girls. Ready to make some mud, woohoo! Oh my goodness. Oh my, Jolene, Jolene, have fun. Oh, she says I'm going to. You can tell they miss grass after kicking their heels up. They're just ready to graze. Oh, this stuff is delicious. Thank you. Hello, girls. Hello, Butter. Hello, Moose. Muppy. Go have fun. Oh yeah. Chow hounds, as excited as they are, they just go right to eating. And believe me, they just left the barn full of hay, so they're not even that hungry. Oh, there's a big bad bull. Oh yeah, he's ready to get rowdy. Clover. You guys are gonna get so muddy. Okay, and then we got the stragglers. Ethel, Princess, Munchkin. Oh, here comes Prancer. PW. Oh, we got Boots. We got Joni. We got Gertrude coming in hot. Come on, ladies, you're missing out on the fun. Well, even if it's a shitty day, it is certainly as nice to see the cows back on the pasture. Gertrude's an older lady, so it takes a lot to get her excited. Oh, here comes Marlou.
You'll never see a happier smile on my face than letting the cows out for the first time.
Except I hope when we had our child, you know, maybe.
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah. And here she comes, Miss Dumpy. It's alright, yeah. I take my time. I'm a lady. She's an old lady. She's gotta be getting close to 10, so she's just gonna take her time. Oh, that is the sound of cows eating grass. It's so nice. Oh, and then we got the bull over here just being a little kooky. Definitely gotta keep my eye on him. He's a pretty easygoing bull, but every once in a while he gets a little aggressive, so you like to always know where he is in the field. Bassett, what do you think? Are you happy? Very happy. Soda. Oh, Billy girl, she's getting kooky over there. Oh, hi, Ethel. Hi, Ethel. Oh, this is apparently where the sparring crew is. Ooh, Spot. Sunshine? This is not exciting whatsoever. Well, guys, happy cows. It's Princess, Daddy's cow. She's not having any Bishop though. Well, there she goes, carrying Dad around. Just no thank you. Muppet! Muppy my guppy, what are you doing, huh? Are you outside? Is that so exciting? It's very exciting, Muppy. Very exciting, Muppy. Yeah. Oh, very exciting.
We'll get a video of me riding Princess later.
Woo! Muppy.
Okay, barn chores are done. It's a noon milking today, and I'm gonna go get the cows and let's see if they will come into a whistle like they usually do. But it's the first day, so I'm not expecting much, but we shall see. So we built these fancy gates so people don't run through the driveway, because we have some driveway entrances. As you can tell, the milk cows kind of already know the program. They're coming in already. But I just put a red reflector thing on here so you guys can see, because people do run through the gates and it's pretty annoying. So goes up, get the cows in. You guys had enough of the rain, huh? Yeah, Dad, we had enough of the rain. We had enough of the rain. I don't know how, but there's one cow down there. She just probably got shocked and said, heck with it. Come on. Come on. Come on. And there's the bad cow on the wrong side of the line in the lane. See what she does. See if she's gonna test the wire. Ooh, so it's kind of hot, maybe. Could be hot. Gonna have to wait. Well, they seem to know the program. They all came in. Sometimes you get one or two left out there, but no, they did good. They're doing good, so there they go. I'm just gonna go let this cow in. She's holding stuff up. Everyone's all curious. What's he doing on the wrong side of the line? Huh? What are you doing, rabbit? Huh? Oh, I don't know. I'm small. Where do you go anyway? Come on! Come on! Come on, Spot. I see you. You're the last cow. Getting that last piece of grass. She's like, I need that. That's gonna help me get through the day. So we let the cows out and it was raining. And then the weather got nice and then it rained and weather got nice and it rained, but they're all pretty soaked. You know, we're just gonna try to let them out for a couple hours a day from now on, and you know, if the weather's really good and we got the grass, we'll let them out for the day, you know, for the whole day and maybe night. But for now, we're just getting their taste of grass in, maybe their milk go up a little bit, and yeah, we're just kind of starting off the year kind of slow. But, and they're all back in.